Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shivangi. Today I am here to teach you how to use should, what is the correct uses of should, why do we require to use should. I promise you if you watch this video till end you'll be able to learn where you need to put should, which is very important English grammar model. Let's quickly start this video. Before we start, I really want you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So let's move on to the further slide to learn it more. Yes, there are numerous ways like where we use should. First is it is used for giving advice or opinion. See, before I give you example, I need to teach you that what is the meaning of should. Should is chahiye in Hindi. The first example I have given over here is you should get a haircut. If suppose I see any person who is having long hair or frizzy hair, even like imbalanced hair, so I can suggest him by saying, I can advise him by saying that you should get a haircut. It is also used in interrogative when we are asking for opinion. What should I buy for his birthday? Like if suppose if you want advice from someone, then again you can use should. Next is you should drink hot milk daily. As milk is absolutely a balanced diet, comes under balanced diet. So we can suggest by saying that you should drink hot milk daily. You must have noticed wherever I was using should, there was first form. Wherever we need to use should, we always need to use first form of verb. This is what you need to keep in your mind when you are using this model. Now, let's quickly move that how and where it is used apart from this advice. Yeah. The next is should is also used for probability or expectation. Probability means here possibility or expectation when we are expecting something. The first example I have given is he should be here any minute. I mean, like you are not sure whether he'll reach or not, but you are saying that he should be here. I mean, like he will be here within some time. This is a possibility, what you are thinking in your mind. Next is it should not cost more than 10,000. I mean, like this is your expectation. This is what you are thinking in your mind that it should not cost more than 10,000. इसकी कॉस्ट 10,000 से ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. This is what you are expecting inside your mind. Next is should is also used for duty or obligation. If someone wants you to fulfill your duty, like usually we always say we should respect our elders, our parents, our teachers. So this is something you are using whenever you are telling someone to obey the duty. Here the meaning is same, that is chahiye. You should be punctual at work. I mean, like you should be on time. This is always told to the people, especially to the students who do not come to attend the classes on time. That's how you can use. Even for work also, many of the employees, they have to suffer, they are not punctual. There also we always say this word by using this sentence by using should only. So now whatever we have learned in the previous slides, there I taught you that you have to use should plus first form of verb when we need to give advice, when we need to talk about the probability or expectation, and when we need to talk about the duty. Here I am telling you that many times we use should have. In that situation, we need to talk about past. Should have is used in past and it is used for something on which we regret upon. जिस चीज के लिए हमें पछतावा होता है उस सिचुएशन में भी हम should have यूज करते हैं. And wherever we are using should have, we need to put third form of verb, right? So let's talk about first example I have written here, that is I should have been more careful. मुझे ज्यादा केयरफुल होना चाहिए था. Here, should have means चाहिए था. Only should, I told you already, is चाहिए only. Next example is I should have told you earlier. मुझे आपको पहले ही बता देना चाहिए था. Here I am using should have plus third form of verb. Told is third form of verb. Next is I should have completed my studies before marriage. Like usually we know that after marriage there are certain more responsibilities. Sometimes we are not able to complete studies or any of the example, any of the regression of your past. If anything on which you regret that is related to your past, we can express that thing by using should have plus third form of verb. So this is what about should and should have, which is used on various places. I hope I have cleared your doubts regarding should is concerned. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. And please write in comment section the sentences that you have made at your place with should. Thank you. Keep learning, keep supporting, keep watching. Happy learning. Bye bye.